Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important questions, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can get the questions? See, you have to visit the website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you have to select math important questions. Okay. One more thing, all these important questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay friends, coming back to the discussion, see what is the problem given here. We have to write a system of equations in two variables and solve the problem. So what is given here, in 2009, two tickets to a certain American band's concert and two tickets to a certain British band's concert on an average cost a total of $604. At the same prices of the tickets, four tickets to see this American band and two tickets to see this British band, costing a total of $866. So we have to find what was the average cost of American band's ticket and average cost of British band's ticket. So how we can solve this? See, for solving this, we have to frame linear equations. Okay, so we will assume the average cost of each ticket of American band be X dollar and average cost of each ticket of British band be Y dollar. Okay, so it is given total cost of two tickets of American band and two tickets of British band equal to $604. So multiplying each ticket by, first see, American band's ticket price is X dollar per ticket. Okay, so 2 times X plus 2 times Y is the cost of each British band ticket. So 2x plus 2y will be equal to $604. So we can divide by 2 on both sides. We will get x plus y equal to 302. And next information is given, cost of 4 ticket of American band plus cost of 2 ticket of British band, it is equal to $866. So we will get 4x plus 2y equal to 866. Dividing both sides by 2, we will get 2x plus y equal to 433. Now we have to solve equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so we can use elimination method. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we will get 2x plus y minus of x plus y equal to 433 minus 302. Okay, so from here we will get 2x plus y minus x minus y. So y will get eliminated and we will get x equal to 131. Okay, now substituting this value of x in either equation 1 or equation 2, we can find the value of y. So substituting this value of x equal to 131 in equation 1, we will get 131 plus y equal to 302. So y will be equal to 171. Hence, average cost of a ticket of American band is equal to X dollar and it is equal to $131. And average cost of a ticket of British band will be equal to Y dollar equal to $171. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay. Thank you.